This tutorial will provide you with the fundamental information needed before you start using your device. To turn on the unit, press the on-off button until the unit beeps once. Its LED will light up and remain lit during the whole startup process until the splash screen is displayed. To activate sleep mode, press the button for less than 3 seconds. This action will retain the current status of the unit in memory. Pressing the power button will wake your unit from sleep mode and you'll be right back where you left off. If you plan to leave it in sleep mode for more than a few days, you should shut down your unit to save battery power. To shut down the unit, press and hold the on-off button for about 3 seconds. The unit will ask if you want to power off the unit or restart it. Select power off to confirm your choice. If the unit ever stops responding, you can force a reset by holding the on-off button for up to 20 seconds. To restart, release the button and press it again. Battery status. The LED on the power button indicates battery status. These are some of the most common battery statuses. Blue means the battery is fully charged. Red, steady for 5 seconds, means the battery is too low to start. And white indicates the unit is starting up. Please refer to this table, which is also found in your user manual for other detailed light statuses. Please note that the battery is not charged at the factory. You must fully charge it before using the unit for the first time. The time required to charge the battery depends on various factors such as the type of tests currently performed and the ambient temperature. Lastly, a final note on turning wireless communication on or off. The unit uses Bluetooth for smart device interactions and Wi-Fi for cloud and server connections. Initially, Bluetooth is enabled while Wi-Fi is not. You can toggle Bluetooth on the unit itself and Wi-Fi from both the unit and a smart device. For more assistance on this subject, scan the QR code on the unit to quickly access support resources.